undergrad, pero unit manager na ni Sun Life. And also an entrepreneur because he is the owner of Paeng Lechon Manok franchise in Cebu City. Please welcome Mr. Lincoln Sano. Our manager candidate from Bigos City under Mangrove NBO, a former bank employee, corporate speaker, and also an entrepreneur. Please welcome Ms. Mariel Grace Panis. Ready for the third one? Our next. Balik ba? Napindot yata siya? Okay, tumigsa na. Pero our next guest speaker is a unit manager from Durian NBO dito po sa Davao. Very diverse kasi siya ay isang registered geologist. Nakamit na po ba kayo ng isang registered geologist at i-judge niya lahat ng bato? And a full-time employee, corporate full-time employee, a unit manager of Sana, Mr. Russell John Bernal. Maraming thanks. So next year, eto, maraming makakarinig kasi we have a manager candidate from Cagayan and from General Santos City under Ironwood NBO. A DepEd public school teacher ng senior high, a former medical representative. Please welcome manager candidate, Ms. Jessica Abalu. Okay! Kayo ang hot seat naman ngayon. Sige, parang haharap ako ng konti sa inyo. Ready na po ba kayo to get to know our financial advisors? Ready na rin kayo sa questions ko?
Ready.
Ready na, okay. So, unang-unang tinatanong, pag magiging Sun Life Financial Advisor, yung tinatanong po ito sa inyo. How were you introduced to Sun Life? And what made you interested in becoming an advisor? Siguro simulan mo na, Lincoln.
So, bright morning, afternoon, and everyone. Thank you so much, RSMAs, no? So, yung tanong niyo po, paano po yung manager ko na-introduce si Sun Life? Actually po, laking probinsyano po talaga ako. No? So, I came from municipality of Rizal, no? So, sinong alam dyan, I'm from Zamboanga del Norte. No? So, it takes 12 hours going to Cagayan de Oro. So, not to brag, I graduated class salutatorian in high school. So, there are lots of universities na nag-offer sa akin ng scholarship. And one doon is Liceo de Cagayan University when I was senior high school that time. So, may isang kong friend niya is manager from Sun Life. And doon po, kinausap niya ako sa lobby. Sabi niya, gusto mo ba mag-financial advisor? Sabi ko, pwede ba yun na pagiging financial advisor? Sobrang layo eh. No? I'm medtech. No? Kaka-graduate ko lang po ng medtech. No? Nag-start po ako at age of 19. So, sabi ko, pwede ba yun talaga? No? Sige nga, matry nga natin. So, ayun po, fast forward po, no? Bakit ko talaga minsan sa Sun Life? It's because, aside sa nakatulong ako sa financial security ng mga kliyente ko, in the end, natutulungan ko din yung sarili ko. So yun po, RSMAs.
May kumausap ka sa'yo, gusto mo at 19 years old, nag-yes ka?
Opo, kasi sobrang layo eh, from medical field, tapos nag-divert into financial. Kaya hate ko talaga, kaya nga nag-medtech ako kasi sobrang hate ko yung numbers. Diba? Sino nakaka-relate ka?
Ano ang favorite